In this video, we are going to make a small project which is going to be a NextJS plus Bitquery API dashboard to display top 10 token pairs with their token price, pool address, price change in 1 hour, price change in 5 minutes, total trades in last 1 hour, total buy trades, total sell trades, total traded volume, and current liquidity and initial liquidity. Code repository link will be in the description along with the used saved query links. So these are the instructions that you can find in the README also to run the project in your local system. So clone the repo, run npm stall, and put the OAuth token in the .env file, and then just run the command npm run dev. Then you're good to go, and you will see the project live at localhost 3000. We are going to use three files to fetch our data to show on the dashboard. First file will be data.js, which has a function getData which fetches the top 10 trading pairs data, but we will not be able to get current and initial liquidity from this. We are only getting the price changes, the currency symbol in the top 10 token pairs, total trades, total buys, total sells, and total traded volume. So this is how we are fetching. We need to pass a Bitquery token here, and we are exporting this getData function. So this is the liquidity.js file. It gives us the current and initial liquidity values for the 10 pool addresses that we got from our first function. We're going to call and manage all these functions like getData function and getLiquidityData function from the page.js file, which is our main front end file. So that's why we are exporting this function also. Now moving on to our third file, getPrice.js. So from this file, this is a function known as getPrice, which fetches us the latest with price in USD. We could have done this same query in any of these queries also, but I'm just keeping it separate just to make it more easily readable. We're also exporting this getPrice function. We have to pass this Bitquery OAuth token. You can see the steps to get it in the description. Make a .env file and put the token there. Now coming to our main page.js file, the page.js file imports useState and useEffect hooks. You can see it right here. And also the functions getData, getPrice, and getLiquidData. These functions are used to fetch trade details, with price, and liquidity data respectively. We fetch trades data in first use effect, and then we are getting liquidity data from second use effect. We have put trades and dependency array so that whenever value of trades changes, we will fetch liquidity data again. Then we have some utility functions here like truncate address, which is used to truncate the address to a certain length, calculate price change, format initial liquidity, and format current liquidity functions. I will get back to these two functions in just a minute. Now here we have our JSX, which is showing all the data in a table. We have all of these column headers like token pair, price in dollars, pair smart contract address, price change in 1 hour, price change in 5 minutes, total traded volume, transactions, initial liquidity, and current liquidity. Here we have written some JS to map our trades data and then showing each pool data in separate rows. We have used the format initial liquidity and format current liquidity functions here. Format initial liquidity is a basic function just extracting out the first two transferred currency symbols and their transfer value. Format current liquidity is doing a little more here. It is extracting out the current balance of this particular row's pool address and checking for specifically two token balances. That is main pool token and width. And then converting it to the USD amount and summing it up and showing it precisely on our front end, like here in dollars. This was our little dashboard project to get top 10 Ethereum pairs in the last hour. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.